It's that time of year. We are here to help you out this year. We have lots of ways to connect with us and also to get some hands-on science, engineering, math, a little bit of technology maybe. And we're doing it many different ways. So if you've never had one of our programs before, we do come to you. We can come in classroom and do our about 30-minute presentations. If you'd like to see what we offer per grade level, look on the buttons down below, click on that, and you'll see a list along with the description, what standards we're correlating to, and about how long it takes. Some of them are a little bit longer depending on what we're doing, such as a trash to treasure craft or something a little bit more involved. We have lots of different programs. There are everything from composting to reuse to recycling to hazardous materials, so give those a look. Then we also are still doing our STEM kits. These kits are for 3rd and 4th grade, and we deliver them to you. You can either sign up for just a couple of them. They're delivered monthly. They have the materials, the instructions, and the kids are asked to bring in usually something from home that is reused. One of them this year, we have added a couple new ones. One of them this year for March is going to be a little basketball STEM activity where kids make a basketball court, complete with a shooter to make baskets. So that's a fun one. There are other ones too, so make sure you check out that list. And then this year we have changed the name of our book bins. So in the past, if you have had one of our book bins, they are now being called Junior STEAM Kits. So there is an activity related to a storybook, and most of the materials are provided. Again, students may be asked to bring in a reused item from home, like a paper towel tube or something of the sort. So these hit English, language arts, also engineering, science. These are science, technology, engineering, math, a little bit of social studies involved too. And then this year, we're also doing a lot of school-wide programs because I know a lot of you are doing things in your school that I'd love to recognize you for. So one of them is called the 4R Schools Initiative. So reduce, reuse, recycle, rethink. For each one of those R's, we'd like you to do an activity. And if you complete 4 activities throughout the school year, the first 3 schools that are able to complete all of those will get a recycled bench with the recognition on the back of it from us. And then we are also working with the Hendricks County Health Department this year. They've been doing a program where they take unclaimed things from your lost and found, and they wash, sort, and get those items back out to those in need. And we love this reuse, so we're going to be partnering with that. We're also doing a new activity this year for Earth Day, because we know a lot of you love Earth Day. We are doing a program called Chalk the Walk. So your classroom can get chalk from us. We'll ask you to do some artwork leading up to the front door of your school, send it in to us, and the winning classroom is going to receive a pizza party. And then, as always, we are doing our Recycle Heart and Soul shoe reuse program in partnership with Changing Footprints. Those shoes are going to be picked up by Changing Footprints volunteers. We provide you with all the collection materials, and then they get sorted out and given to those in need locally in Indiana, and then they also go abroad or to people in disaster-stricken areas. So we have a lot going on. We hope that you guys will take advantage of these programs, and we'd love to see you this year.